Welcome to the Eagle Meat Minute for breaking news on the latest meat inspection technologies. I'm Christy Draus, Marketing Manager at Eagle Product Inspection. Today's topic is service and support. Every minute counts, and so does every dollar. Long after installation, your equipment's ultimate value is determined by service and support. Keeping your X-ray and fat analysis system running at peak performance over its lifetime requires a partner that understands how to ensure its performance from initial startup to the final run. Eagle's focus on a lower total cost of ownership involves service and support packages that rein in surprise maintenance costs and reduce downtime. Here are 5 Eagle customer support solutions that can change the way you look at your next machine purchase. Annual service agreements that combine predictive maintenance with critical support. Extended care packages to broaden warranty coverage and include annual performance verifications. Spare parts kits that reduce downtime by supplying you with parts prone to routine wear and tear, or those essential parts that we need to have on hand. Training programs customized for specific meat applications and your unique operating needs. 24/7 technical support, including remote diagnostics that solves problems fast. And personal collaboration is crucial. Eagle offers regionally based field engineers and a factory-trained OEM partner network for expert support. Ensuring machine health through these and other types of service and support leads to low ongoing maintenance costs, along with a fast return on investment. This results in a lower total cost of ownership. Every minute counts, and so does every dollar. Learn more about Eagle's solutions for service support at eaglepi.com/service support. You can also visit eaglepi.com/meatminute to view all of the breaking news videos.